Hello everyone, I'm Morgan from Mirror Edge Networks and I'm here today at the Planetworld head office in Cape Town, and I've got Justin Forthergill from HDAnywhere with me. We've just attended an afternoon session of training where Justin has introduced a bunch of new products to us. One of them is the new HDAnywhere remote control that will be coming to market fairly soon. It's been really an eye-opening and an enlightening experience. Considering I've been fortunate enough to visit the factory in the UK in 2022, Justin's been able to show me around some of the behind-the-scenes research and development, their actual troubleshooting mechanisms that they've got to be able to make sure that the products work in the field. I'm just going to ask Justin to give us a little bit of feedback about where HDAnywhere is going and what he's introduced to us today.
Awesome, thank you, Morgan. It's a very exciting time. So nice to be back here in South Africa on one, but to be back in Cape Town. I mean, the most beautiful city in the world. So chuffed to be here. And thanks for attending our training and our events and everything. What we're doing now is trying to show people that there's a new perspective to what our brand is and what it stands for, which we're very excited about because we've always built in a control capability into our current generation of M-Hub products. And that control capability has given us quite a lot of power because we can control the source devices and the TVs and the system and create this amazing, easy user experience that doesn't cost a lot of money to install, doesn't cost a lot of money to buy, and most importantly, it's really great to use. And you know it, customers at the end of the day, what they want, what anybody wants, is just the ability to enjoy their system. We've got to be invisible and they've just got to be able to enjoy their movies and their music and their family time, and that's what we're aiming to do. And in our training today, as you saw, what we're doing is taking it to the next level. The U-Control remote that you've got there is going to be a way for people to use our system without a smartphone. So we have the smartphone, we have this really sexy Apple Watch app, which the Apple users love, but a remote control gives people buttons. And buttons make the user experience in many rooms totally different. And feedback from what you gave us when you did come and visit our R&D has been built into this. So we're going to have those features that you were asking for on behalf of your clients. So that's important. And listening to you is important also because then otherwise we get into trouble with you and we don't want to do that. The other thing is that we're able to do so much more than just the AV now. And what you saw and what we're doing and what we're offering now is the ability to talk to lighting systems, to talk to window treatment systems, and deliver our vision of multi-room media, music, and mood. All without the need for the cost and complexity of a control brand. So for people who just want a simple, easy, nice, smart home experience without the all singing, all dancing bells and whistles, we're able to offer that built into our system with very little extra hardware and really change what people can do with what is supposed to be just a video matrix from HD. So we're a hell of excited about it, and so glad that the feedback from today's session has been so positive. Thank you.
Thank you. So it's been a great experience learning more about the way that HDAnywhere is making our control systems easier to work with and making a control system within their products that we can deploy without extra expensive hardware and equipment from traditional vendors. So it's been eye-opening, very enlightening. As you may know, if you've watched any of my videos before, HDAnywhere HDMI cables are our go-to. We've used them extensively over the last several years. They've got incredibly reliable long-distance HDMI cables, which particularly we design and build home cinemas as a core focus at Mirror Edge Networks. The HDMI cables from receivers to the projectors is of critical importance for any home cinema, and we've used the 15 meters and the 20 meter, the active optical cables, got to get that right, because we know that they can deliver the right video resolution, HDR compliant for our projectors in the cinema rooms. And it's a product that we know is going to work, and so it's been great to be able to discuss a few of the different aspects with Justin. And I hope that moving forwards, if you've got any questions about why we use HDAnywhere, how we use it, what the reasoning behind the product is, please get in contact with us. I'd be happy to discuss it further in the comments below, or send me an email if you have a project that requires reliable HDMI-based solutions for your house, for your office, performance venue, etc. HDAnywhere is going to be at the forefront of our product offering when it comes to reliable HDMI.